Hey, good morning, everybody. Have you been thinking about how can I grow my business and how can I grow it the fastest? Have you been trying to figure out some ways that you can leverage and get more clients in your bucket? How can you get listings? Like, what can I do to get more listings and to get more listings before the end of this year? So I wanted to share with you this list of ideas that I have. For one, reach out to your SOI, and your SOI is your sphere of influence. People who, no matter what, would always refer you and would always reach out to you if they knew someone looking to buy or sell real estate. So you want to reach out to your SOI first. That is like your most valuable resource and asset. Number two, think about doing ads on social media. Facebook and Instagram ads are huge. People pay money. You could pay and set it up for $40 a month to where you are targeting sellers and targeting buyers if you're looking for buyers. But specifically, if you're looking for sellers, you can go online and target what you're looking for with those ads through social media. So you can go on there and you can do targeted ads to find more sellers. Another way is to pay for leads. There are several lead generation systems out there that you can utilize, and you can pay for leads to help you generate more business. Those services and those lead generation services are different prices. So if you're thinking about paying, do your research. Find out what the return on investment is for something like that, and make sure that you utilize the system. If you're going to pay for it, make sure you utilize it. Number four is get you a mentor and be coachable. Make sure that you seek out someone who's doing business and doing it well, someone who you admire, someone who you see and you have respect for. Reach out to them and find out, do you mentor agents? If so, how can I sign up? What do I need to do? And make sure you're coachable. Make sure you listen and make sure you take notes when you're talking to that person, because their time is valuable and they could teach you a whole lot about this business. And number five, open houses. Open houses have a lot of untapped potential. A lot of people don't realize how many agents go to open houses and work those open houses and get lots of business. I've had open houses in this last 2 months, and any agent outside of myself who have done, or including myself, who have done those open houses have walked away with new clients, whether they be buyers or sellers. Make sure when you're doing your open houses, you're advertising them on social media. Make sure you're advertising them throughout the neighborhood. Make sure you're door knocking the neighborhood if you have a chance to, and let the people know in the neighborhood that you are selling that home. You never know who's renting in that neighborhood and looking to buy. You never know who may have a friend or family who wants to move into that neighborhood. So if you're thinking about ways that you can leverage your business and you can get more listings in the next 3 months, this last quarter of the year of 2023, think of those things and try those things out. I hope this helps and I hope they work. Talk to you soon. Bye.